Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Wenger 19th hole cigar cutter. And, I don't know, I kind of feel like this knife fits into a very, very specific niche. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so you have the usual Wenger large knife blade, and you have the nail file and little pointy, I don't know, something cuticle cleaner thing, which is pretty normal. But you also have the golf tools. You have the club face cleaner, that's what they call it, and you have the shoe spike wrench to, I guess, adjust your golf spikes, and the divot repair tool. And you also have the cigar cutter, which is just a super giant pair of scissors. Well, that's actually a super giant pair of scissors with a very specific shape. Like so. And aside from making me feel like a Bond villain, it's for cutting the ends off of cigars. I just kind of feel like it's one of those, they're like golf players are going to hang out and smoke cigars. That's the 19th hole thing. It's kind of interesting. Now, it doesn't have any scale tools. No tweezers, no toothpick, which kind of is a little surprising. I wonder why they left them off. I don't know. It seems like they would have included them, because it doesn't really hurt anything to have them. Anyway, I don't know. You think the golf tools plus the cigar cutter is too much, or do you think it's the perfect knife for a certain small group of people? I don't know. I have played golf. I have not smoked cigars, so I don't know. What do you think? And the other thing is, how do you like the green scale? It's kind of interesting. It's a little different, at least. I don't know. What do you think? You think they need to, Victorinox needs to bring these back? Bring back the golf tools? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's anything you'd like me to take a look at, you can let me know down there as well. I'll include links in the description for the Swiss Army Knife Wiki entry for this one, so you can check it out if you want more information. And anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.